Nice to meet you. This is a WhaleGO tutorial video for cryptocurrency traders around the world. Use complex secondary indicators to create the best strategy for your current situation, then generate long and short signals. Open long position when long signal occurs. Conversely, when a short signal occurs, a short position is opened. After that, when the TP signal occurs, the position is completely closed and the profit or sell is handled. If the opposite position appears, switching is performed. One order single position is recommended. Leverage X10 or less is recommended and should be prepared. For emergencies, we proceed in an isolated state rather than cross-trading. Click the bottom of the video to enter Discord, and you will receive real-time signals and various altcoin news information. We recommend that you leave the alarm on. Your investment is your choice and responsibility. The reason I made it is that I hope it will be helpful to many people. Then enjoy right away. Over WhaleGO.